Hi, I'm Chris Hogan. Have you ever done something stupid with money? I know I have. When I was in my 20s, I wanted people to think I was successful. I got caught up in trying to keep up with the Joneses. So I got the bank to loan me money because, of course, I didn't have any, and I went out and bought a Ford Expedition. I know, not the car you'd necessarily choose. I made $600 car payments every month for almost 5 years to own a hunk of metal. Thinking about that car hurts. You know what I'm talking about. Because if it's not a car payment, it's a credit card bill, or maybe even a student loan. No matter how you spend it, you owe your income to someone else. But what if you could invest that payment for your future? You'd be able to retire with wealth and dignity. You'd leave a legacy for generations to come. Wow. Or how about this one? What if you could give that payment to a single mom who's struggling to get by? What if you could give it to your church? You see, debt is a thief. It steals your joy. It steals your freedom, and it keeps you from living the life God wants for you. And if you're ready to get out of debt, save and invest, and make giving a part of your daily life, it's time to make a change. And Financial Peace University can help. Over 5 million people have already been through this program, and they've learned God's ways of handling money. And now you can too.